Have you reset your Android phone and now you are stuck on the Google verification screen? Maybe you forgot your Google account and can't finish setting up your device. Many people search for AddROM FRP Bypass because it's a free solution. But does it still work in 2026 with Android 16? In this video, I will explain what AddROM is, its advantages and limitations, and I will also introduce a more reliable alternative. AddROM FRP Bypass is not a software program. It is a collection of APK files, tools, and different methods that try to bypass FRP. The goal is help users to complete the phone setup without entering the previous Google account. It became popular because it's free, some methods don't require a computer, and there are many tutorials available online. The basic idea is to find a way around the Google verification screen. Depending on the device, users may open hidden system apps, install APK files, access hidden settings, or change account settings. However, the success of these methods depends on the Android version and the latest security updates. On older Android devices, such as Android 8, 9, and some Android 10 phones, AddROM can still work because this version have fewer security protections. But on Android 14, 15, and 16, Google and phone manufacturers continue improving security, so many older AddROM methods no longer work reliably. There are also some disadvantages. First, you need to find the correct method and APK files for your specific phone model. Second, many APK files come from unofficial websites, so you should be careful when you're downloading them. And finally, even if one method works today, it may stop working after next security update. If you have a newer Android device, you may prefer a simpler solution. That's where DroidKit comes in. Instead of searching for different APK files and trying multiple methods, DroidKit provides a guide process on your computer, making FRP removal much easier for many users. To remove FRP lock on Android devices, the best part is that it's compatible with the later system version, including Android 16, and the process is quite simple. All you gotta do is open the program, choose FRP bypass option, and connect your phone with a USB cable. Then select your phone version and follow the on-screen instructions. DroidKit will do the rest automatically, and when it's finished, your phone will restart without the Google FRP lock. So if you are looking for a simple solution with the greatest possible compatibility, this is one of the best options currently available. You can try DroidKit today. I will leave the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the iMobie channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.